Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make garlic vinaigrette. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh garlic, a good extra virgin olive oil, and your favorite vinegar, such as red wine or apple cider. Mincing the garlic very finely is key to distributing its pungent flavor evenly throughout the dressing. Have your mixing tools ready, whether that's a bowl and whisk or an immersion blender for a super smooth result. Now, let's combine everything. Add your finely minced garlic to the bowl with your chosen vinegar, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper. This initial mix helps the garlic infuse. Next, the magic happens. Slowly drizzle in the olive oil while whisking vigorously. This gradual addition is crucial for creating a beautiful, creamy emulsion. An immersion blender makes this step incredibly simple. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this video and finding these tips helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. And on another note, just like you wouldn't settle for bland vinaigrette, don't let your feet suffer. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find the link for these amazing socks and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your vinaigrette emulsified, it's time for the most important step: tasting and adjusting. Take a small spoonful and assess the balance of flavors. Does it need more salt, pepper, or perhaps a little more vinegar? If the acidity is too sharp, a tiny bit of sugar or honey can mellow it beautifully. For an extra layer of freshness, consider stirring in some finely chopped fresh herbs. Once your delicious garlic vinaigrette is perfected, proper storage ensures its longevity. Transfer it to an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. While it can last for up to 1 week, the flavors are truly at their peak within the first few days. Remember that oil and vinegar may separate over time, so give it a good whisk or shake before each use to bring it back together.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.